Good morning, children. Welcome to our next class. In last class, we learned about role of seeds and types of seeds we learned. And today, before going to know your topic, as usual, we'll do the small activity. Take your notebook, children, and write in that heading as activity. Okay. You all are ready? Yes. Now you start. Under the activity, you write till now. In this week, what all the different fruits you ate, just mention their names under this activity. Okay? Meanwhile, I too will write what I ate in this week and the last week, which fruits I ate. I'll write. I ate papaya. You to continue this activity in your notebook. Apple I ate. Orange. Banana I ate. Okay. And even I ate grapes. So do all the fruits. Now stop doing your activity. Now tell me, do all these fruits comes under same group? No. They all are not coming under same group. So there are different kinds of fruits. So that is our today's topic. Types of fruits. Your block 2 S4. Types of fruits we are doing now. So how these fruits are different from each other? How they are different from each other? Anyhow, we are seeing them as fruits only. But still there are some categories. We can classify them into different groups. So that we are going to learn today. How to classify the fruits and what is the basis for that we'll see. Okay. So some fruits, for example, you take papaya. You take a papaya like this. Okay. So inside this, what we call this red color part, this is pulp. So this pulp part only we are eating. So the edible part in papaya is pulp. The pulp is like a flesh in that fruit. So even in your apple, when you see outside layer, a skin is there, inside the pulpy part, which we call it as fleshy part, the same pulpy part we are eating. So based on that pulp present inside, we are classifying them fruits into different types. What are those? We'll see. So the fruits are classified into two groups. One is fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits. That means what they have inside? They are having pulp inside. Pulp is the edible part in these fruits. And some more fruits will have inside the pulp some juice is present. Which fruit is this? This is lemon. So inside the lemon, as we discussed just now, we had seen in papaya how the pulp is present. How in apple pulp is present. Same way the lemon is also having pulp inside, but this pulp is containing juice. So these fruits are also known as juicy fruits. Pulpy fruits, fleshy fruits are of two types. Fleshy fruits we can divide into two types. One is fleshy fruits are two types. One is pulpy fruits and the other one is juicy fruits. Pulpy fruits and juicy fruits. So here papaya is coming under pulpy or juicy? It's coming under pulpy fruit. Apple comes under pulpy fruit. That means they are fleshy fruits. They both are coming under fleshy fruits group. Now I'll show you another fruit. These are not having any pulp inside. Like your badam, our almond, groundnuts, they are also fruits. When we discussed in block 2S1, which are vegetables and which are fruits, clearly you all understood, right? So according to that, even the groundnut is also a fruit because the groundnut have the seeds inside. So this groundnut, are we finding any pulp inside the groundnut? We can't. So such fruits are known as dry fruits. Such fruits are known as dry fruits. So examples for dry fruits, our groundnuts are dry fruits, our badam is dry fruit, our almond is also dry fruit. So based on the pulp inside the fruit, we are dividing them into two categories. They are fleshy fruits and dry fruits. Fleshy fruits are having pulp inside. Dry fruits are not having the pulp inside. So fleshy fruits are also juicy fruits. Some fleshy fruits are pulpy fruits. Some fleshy fruits are juicy fruits. So, can you say any example for juicy fruit? Orange comes under juicy fruit. Our lemon comes under juicy fruit. So, understood? Now, coming week, you check or you make a tabular column in your notebook. What are the different fruits you are eating and they are coming under which group you try to identify. Okay. Now we will see, are there any other groups, are there any other ways to classify the fruits? We'll see. Now based on their pulp we classified. Is there any other way to classify the fruits? We'll see now. This classification we done based on their pulp present in them. We classified these fruits. The other way, what is the another way to classify the fruits? The other way to classify the fruits based on their shape, based on their size, and even based on their color. Based on their shape, we can classify the fruits. Based on their size, we can classify the fruits. And even based on their color also, we can classify the fruits. Apart from this, is there any other method for classifying the fruits? Yes. We can even classify the fruits based on the seeds. Number of seeds. Based on the number of seeds, we can classify the fruits. Some fruits, just now we had seen, the lemon will have few seeds inside. What about the apple? Do the apple have few seeds or many seeds or no seed? Apple have single seed, few seeds inside like our lemon. And which fruit have only one seed inside? Yes, you are right. That is mango. Mango has only one seed. And some fruits like lemon, like apple, they have few seeds inside them. How many seeds? Few seeds they have, like lemon and apple. When you see the papaya, how many seeds papaya have? Papaya have many seeds. Many seeds papaya have. Right? So based on the number of seeds also, we can classify the fruits. Actually, what is the use of fruit in a plant? You are learning the different parts of a plant, right? So each part, where it is present and what is the use of it you are learning. You learnt about the leaf in last block. So in the same way, what's the use of these fruits actually? What purpose they are present in plants? What function they are doing? Yes, they store the food. What they are doing in plants? They store the food. You learned in last class, leaves are preparing food, right? And they will give to the different parts of the plant, they transport the food. And if excess food is there, that is stored in fruits. How your mom will store the extra food in your home in refrigerator, same way in the plants, if any extra food is there, that is stored in the form of fruits. So that main function fruits are doing. And even they are protecting the seeds. They are also doing another function, that is they protect the seeds. They protect the seeds. Why do we need the seeds? Why the fruits need to protect the seed? What we get from the seeds? The role of seed lesson you already learned. What we are getting from the seeds? We are getting a baby plant. To get new plants, we need seeds. So that important role is there with seeds. So the protection is compulsory needed for seeds, that is given by our fruits. So the fruits are doing two main functions in any plant. That is, one is they are storing the food. Next, they are protecting the seeds. So understood, children? In today's class, what are the functions of fruits you learnt and how to classify the fruits you learnt? How we classified the fruits based on their pulp. There are of two types: fleshy fruits, dry fruits. Based on the number of seeds also we classified. Based on their size, shape and color also we can classify the fruits. Understood? Now we will see what questions is asking in your volume book. See, both lemon and orange are fruits. How else are they similar? He is not asking you the difference. He is asking you the similarities. Similarity means both are having which characters same. So can you write this answer? Orange and lemon. Both are in what ways both are similar? Yes, based on the seed if we see, orange have few seeds and lemon also have few seeds. And based on the size if you see, orange is little bigger whereas lemon is little smaller. So that comes under the difference. You cannot write in the similarity. When you come to color, orange is orange in color whereas lemon is yellow in color. So you cannot, similarity character cannot apply there. It is a difference. So what else similar in lemon and orange? When you see the dry and pulpy fleshy fruits, orange is coming under which group? fleshy fruit. Even lemon also coming under fleshy fruit. They both gives us juice. So these are the similarities. Can you write by your own this answer? Very good. Now again, he is asking circle the pictures of fruits and sort them into two groups. Sort out them into two groups. Which are fruits? First find out and circle them. You know the basic characters to be a fruit is they need to bear the seeds inside, right? So you find out which fruits are having seeds in them. They are coming under fruits group. And next one, divide them into two groups. Any category which we discussed just now, either based on their pulp you divide or based on the number of seeds you divide. Any one character you take and divide these all the fruits into two groups. That you can do by your own. Divide them into two groups. And you also mention here on what basis you classified. All these fruits you are going to classify. So on what basis? Whether are you going to classify based on their seeds or are you going to classify based on their pulp? If you classify based on their pulp, write here based on pulp. If you classify based on the seeds, write here based on seeds. Understood? And last one, write three different ways in which fruits can be sorted out based on their seeds. How to classify the fruits based on the seeds. Here only the answer is based on their seeds, fruits are classified into three categories. One is one seed fruits. That means the fruits contain only single seed, and some fruits comes under few seeds group. That means they have few seeds inside them like apple and lemon, and some fruits comes under many seeded fruits. They like example papaya. So you are able to complete your worksheet, children. Do this work and post it to me. And in the same way, you see your textbook, content book, block 2, page number 20. Here also some questions are there for you. This all you can write by your own. Just I'll give a hint to you. See the first question. What are edible seeds? You know this answer. The seeds which we can eat, those seeds are known as edible seeds. So write in your own words what you understood. And the next one, name any two edible seeds. N number of seeds we are eating. Any two seed names which you eat, that you write here. Why are seeds important in a plant? We discussed just now why the seeds are so important in a plant. Because to grow the plants, new plants. Seeds are important to grow new plants. And the next one is, why is a pea a fruit or and not a vegetable? He is only saying the pea is a fruit. It's not a vegetable. You know that the pea is having the seeds inside. Peas are seeds in pods. In pods, a pod will be like this. So inside that, the peas are arranged like this. So peas are nothing but the seeds. That's why pea is a fruit. It won't come under vegetable group. So can you write this answer? And the next one, what is the function of fruits? Here only answer is there. Function of fruits. They store the food for the plant and they also protect the seeds. Okay? And the next one, how is fleshy fruit different from a dry fruit? You know very well fleshy fruits, how they are different from dry fruits. Fleshy fruits have pulp inside. Dry fruits are not having pulp inside. And last one, is coconut a seed or a fruit? You find out this answer and complete it as homework. So understood children? In volume book S4 complete, your homework is complete S4 in volume book and also page 20 content book. Write answers in the notebook. See the content book, write down the question in your notebook and write answers by your own. So these two homeworks, do it and post it to me children. Thank you.